Hello, everybody. Welcome to the November edition of the Working Wisely series, the series where we explore the latest features in our application. But more than that, we take a deeper look into our team and everything that drives work today. I'm joined today by Hannah. Hannah is a member of our development team. Hannah, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yes, I've been working with Workstreams for about a year and a half as a developer, and I mainly work in the back end and on some infrastructure topics.
That sounds fascinating. Hannah, how does it feel working with us? We're here based in Germany. Our team is spread all across the globe, and you are based in the west coast of the US.
Yeah, I actually think that's one of the coolest aspects of Workstreams. You know, we have a super global team. We have people from many different countries from all around the world, and I actually work about 8 hours ahead. After everybody in Workstreams. So when I wake up and start my day, they're actually already, in the late afternoon. So it is really cool that actually we're able to use the Workstreams platform to basically work really efficiently across the entire globe. And so every morning when I get on, I'm able to see on the Workstreams app, the progress and everything that's happened within the application and the updates on the work that I'm working on and what everybody else has been doing. So it's really cool.
That's pretty great. Let's dig a little bit deeper into how our app allows you to work in an asynchronous way, because there's no way around the time zone. So what are some of the features that you use that are helpful to you in your day-to-day?
Yeah, so one of my favorite features is actually the comments on the particular tasks. So if you scroll down at the bottom of the task, you can actually see the comment thread. And this thread integrates directly with Slack. So that makes it really easy to find all the comments that relate to a particular topic in one place. And it's also in both Slack and Workstreams. So wherever you are, you can see the updates. And it's really cool because actually you can tag people directly in the comment thread. So if I want to let somebody know that I want to loop them into the conversation, I just tag them there, and then they know exactly where I'm at in the conversation on that particular task. So
that sounds pretty great. I mean, it's a classic example of this hybrid / remote world that we are facing ourselves after the pandemic. So I wanted to dig a little bit deeper into that. How do you achieve this organizational nirvana and work-life balance being so far away from the core team?
Yeah, that's a great question. So everybody works in kind of this hybrid environment now across our team. So people, even the ones that live in Berlin, are also working from home sometimes. So we have people in the office, and actually I came here from San Diego just to meet and collaborate with everybody in the office for a bit, and then I'll go back home and work from there. And yeah, in general, I'd say people are really understanding with the different time zones and time differences. And also we're able to just collaborate across all of the calls that we have and, really take advantage of the opportunities that we have to be together and collaborate in person then and also online later on. So
talking about your team, like we are quite like a 20-ish person team, but let's talk a little bit more about your actual team, the development folks. How does this whole thing work?
Yeah, so the development folks, I'd say we're about 10 people on the team. So actually, no, a little bit less. But yeah, in general, it's a really great team environment. And it's kind of unique because I'm actually the only female developer on the team, which actually I guess isn't unique because there are predominantly men in the development world. But one thing that I really feel that is great about working with Workstreams is I feel that my voice as a woman is always heard on the team, and that I'm able to collaborate with everybody, and that I can take on whatever challenges and learn new technologies I'd like. And I just always feel that being a woman in an all-male team actually isn't a negative aspect, and I feel really integrated within the team. So
amazing. That's something that we should continuously work on and even have more diversity into the team.
Yeah.
Any other topic that we haven't touched that you would like to emphasize in terms of working remote, finding the right balance, taking care of still nurturing a team culture while being far away?
Yeah, I'd say that in general, while we can always have this hybrid environment, I think it's also really important to come and meet people in person as well.
For sure.
So I really value that, and getting to know people and actually seeing who they are face to face. I think that makes our time when we're working online together a little bit more enjoyable because we have that kind of baseline and understanding of people. So, yeah, I'd say both aspects of the hybrid environment are really great in that sense. And overall, I've really enjoyed working at Workstreams, and it's been a really fun experience to this point. So,
And I hope that we can continue it on to even bigger successes and solving this great puzzle that's productivity in today's time. Hannah, thank you for joining us for this session. It was lovely having you in the office. I hope we can greet you soon back. That was it for the November edition of Working Wisely. A little bit of a cliche. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Ciao!